Michigan oftentimes falls short on the need for mental health treatment based on how many beds are available within the state's psychiatric facilities. To address those concerns and the growing demand for help, Genesee Health System is once again growing, this time adding new services.
The CSU will be 16 beds, and that is a 72-hour stay for crisis stabilization. The crisis residential, which is a 14-day stay, will be 8 beds.
The Crisis Stabilization Unit will be a first for Genesee Health System. Dan Russell, the GHS Chief Executive Officer, says right now something like this doesn't exist in Genesee County.
I think it's vitally important, just in general, and then I think that really came to light during the Flint water crisis. Followed too closely by COVID.
On Tuesday, the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services Director Elizabeth Hertel toured what will be this new space for people to seek mental health help.
We know that access to mental health care has been a challenge for a very long time, and we have worked tirelessly to try to keep up with the demand.
MDHHS published this data on January 2nd, 2025. Across the state, there were 29 available beds for adults and 14 beds for adolescents. But when you look at individual counties, some places fell short. Combining Genesee, Lapeer, and Shiawassee counties, they were lacking 24 beds for adults. For adolescents, they needed 7 more beds based on the need.
We are working to build a new psychiatric state hospital in Southeast Michigan, which will expand capacity there, so that when people do need that inpatient treatment, we'll have some space as well. And then expanding services like these across the state.
This investment to create an adult crisis stabilization unit was part of the 2023 state budget. $32 million was allocated to 10 agencies, including Genesee Health System, to develop these types of units. A reminder, Genesee Health System has a 24/7 behavioral health crisis line. You can call 810-257-3740 or text Flint to 741-741. The National Crisis Hotline is also available 24/7. Just dial 988.